to the beach, bamboo bay beach. Stairs to the beach, Escadaria de Praia, Cheoc van. Bamboo bay beach, going down Escadaria de Praia, Cheoc van. Bamboo bay beach, going down to the beach, Bamboo bay beach, down the Praia to Cheoc van. Bamboo bay beach.
Okay, so this is in Cheoc area. You can see some kind of hikers up in the trails a little bit. There's a road and trails all the way throughout here. This goes down to the beach. So we're going to be following this Cheoc stairs you can see through the trees, which we're going to walk all the way down in a minute. And then we're going to also just kind of show you where we're starting out at, which is there's a hiking trail right here. So lots of people are coming through these trails. And then we also have a bus stop right here, and it's kind of a major road. So these are like a barbecue pit, different trails here. So swimming pool is where we're gonna be walking, and we'll be coming around in a moment. So let's go up that way. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, today's a nice day, so there's kind of a continuous stream of people coming through in these trails. So this is called the Koloan area, so usually we just refer to going out to Koloan. And then down here is the Koloan beach, so you're going to see that when we get down there. And then this particular one has a street sign. There's so many people still walking in that way. You can see some of the trees. Somebody must have sat here and put a bottle right there. There's like trash right around the corner, but anyways, so yeah, this is the stairway to Cheoc van. Cheoc van is the second largest. There's two main beaches. There's small other things that might be classified as a beach, but there's two that are given a name: Haksa Beach and Cheoc van Beach. Cheoc van is like bamboo bay. Let me see if there's any bamboo. Don't see any bamboo that I'm aware of right here, but yeah, but this whole area is called Bamboo Bay Beach, Cheoc van. And the stairwell just it's kind of a shortcut to get down to the beach from the main road. There's also another road out of here in the other way. So I will turn the camera off and then I'll come down and you can miss some of this space. We're a little bit further down, so now you can see, you can overlook some buildings over here. And I think there's actually a school as well. Let me see. So I can see something up there, up on a cement thing, but it's a little bit hard to see through the camera lens. I don't think you'd be able to see it as well. But you can also see a little bit more rooftop stuff over here. You can see a little bit of stuff going up in the hills, a little tiny bit. That's where we came from, and that's where the main road is at. So we're kind of, Koloan is a island, and with like a typical island has like a little bit of hills and uphill and downhill and all the stuff you can imagine. So okay, so here we're gonna be, you can start to hear it looks like maybe a school. So that would be coming up right in here. And those are kids, so I don't think I'm going to focus on the kids. But it's right next to the swimming pool. The swimming pool is open during the daytime, or I mean in the summertime. So we'll probably see more of that in a little bit as the summer goes on. Okay. And the swimming pool is empty at the moment, but later that will probably be more full. Right now it's March 15, 16. I'll have it labeled down below. That's kind of interesting. see all the hills everywhere. What day is today? It's like mid-March. So I don't know when the pool officially opens, but today's a nice day. It's been kind of fluctuating a little bit with the weather recently. I don't know the date that it opens, but later there'll be, it's like a community swimming pool, so you'll see a lot of people here later. That's what it looks like. And then that's our space. And then this right here is a restaurant. So it's the Italian restaurant. Got some really good food right there. And we'll come through here and kind of see what's all around. That's a good place to eat. And now we're down by the beach. Let me just see. So you can see some rocks all the way down that way, and then it goes all the way down to that space. And in the summertime, it can be quite crowded, and then this space right here is kind of relief, shade relief. So a lot of people will come here if they don't want to get direct sunlight. Okay. So yeah, later this will be, yeah, right now it's like mid, but today's a nice day and it hasn't been that nice. It's been off and on nice. These are some of the hills you can see as well. So, I don't know, I think this is like private property with all this fence, so somebody owns that. So they must, and they also have this, so sometimes I'll see somebody walking their dog or whatever. I don't know what this is. I think at one time maybe it was like somewhere you could stay, but I don't recall seeing that anywhere where people are staying there. And then the one to the left is, I believe, a private one. But we're gonna walk all the way through. You can see some of the waves here as well. And then they even have a lifeguard as well, so he's in trouble a little bit. Don't know why. Okay. And you also have, let me just capture this real quick too. So yeah, I believe this is somebody's private house. Lifeguard. So okay, those are the bathrooms, and there's a store up there as well. Also have some black and white tiles, got some dolphin, I guess. We'll walk all the way through. So yeah, a lot of people will stay in the shade, as you can see. Let's see. So yeah, that's basically Cheoc, and then the other beach is Haksa Beach. Haksa is, I think it's a kilometer. This one is more intimate, more smaller, but I like this one. Both good for different reasons, but okay. And then you come out to the parking lot, and then that is actually a hotel, so people do stay there. There's actually a restaurant at the top of that as well, and then there's more trails that people could take if they wanted to, so they could go up this way as well. Some nice trees. But for our particular video, and over there, there's some kind of interesting stuff over there too. They're part of a yacht club. It's like different sailing types of things, and they're all like private property, like over there. Probably need some kind of membership of some kind. And I guess that's it, so we're gonna end it right there. Slice of Macau, Koloan, Cheoc Beach, and the stairs.